Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. Chin, and I'm just going to explain to you how you're going to use this website. So, this is our website where you're going to get all your learning for this week and while we're in lockdown. Okay, if you go to the home page here, you're going to see our task. This page is very important because this is where we're going to put all the information. Don't forget, you still have your homework, which is your speeches. All right, so you need to do your speeches. And while you're at home, don't forget about your general knowledge-a-thon question. Okay, so you need to keep continuing practicing those. So when you get back to school, we'll do our tests. Right, the first thing I'm going to look at is our reading. So click on the top here for our reading. All right, this is your reading. Miss Madden has done your reading for this week. Right. Inside the reading page, you're going to find your reading activity for this week. And this week is all about birds. Right. So we've got stories about birds. There's videos about birds over here. So you can click on here to watch the video. And you've got a book to read. And you've got some questions about the birds. So we've got birds, we've got kakapo, and hummingbirds, right? You have all week to do these activities. You don't have to finish them in one day. Remember, your Get Epic code for your class is over here, all right? Let's have a look at our writing. When you click on your writing here, it's going to bring you to your writing activity for this week. Again, it's just like our reading, right? We have 3 activities for you to do. Again, it's about birds because that's what we're learning about. Our writing activity is about making an acrostic poem with the word birds. So make sure you read the instruction here on how to do it, all right? And to help you get some ideas, we've got a video here and a Falcon book that's available from Epic. And the same thing for here, we've got a video about penguins and a penguin book from Get Epic, all right? Let's jump on to math. When you click on your math problem, the same activity is going to come up. You can do your math activities on Prodigy, right? So here's your class codes. And also, there are some activities here that you can do for algebra and problem solving. Another fun thing for math is your basic facts practice. If you click on this tab, it's going to bring you to a new page. And here you can write your name and you can challenge yourself. If I were you, I would try something from stage 4 or stage 5. I'm going to click on it and it's going to give me some questions to do. Right? These are basic facts tests, basic facts practices. Okay, so this is quite cool. If you like your math and trying all these different questions, go there. Right, I'm going to hop back onto my main page here. If you're in ESOL, Mrs. Mosen has created an activity for you guys. All right, it's based on your general knowledge-a-thon questions. All right, we'll just wait for it to load here. All right, and you can see there's a little worksheet here from Mrs. Mosen. All right, and also if you need to get in contact with Mrs. Mosen, you can email here straight. This is her email address. Okay, all right. Because we're learning about birds, on our art page, we have some videos on how to draw birds, specifically a chicken, a falcon, and a hummingbird. Okay, so these are some fun videos that you can do. This is a really cool site, How to Draw Art for Kids Hub. All right, and if we look at our other options, let's have a look here. Under Other, we've got some handwriting. So this is your handwriting for this week. Faya Anna has shared her karakia with us, so you can write this down as part of your handwriting, which is really cool. If you're feeling like you need a bit of exercise at home, there's a little video here, 9-minute exercise for kids, or you can jump on Go Noodle or Just Dance. All right, so there's lots to explore here, and remember, you have your meeting with your teachers, all right? So don't forget this week. And I hope you guys have fun. Remember, you've got a whole week to do all these activities. All right, guys? All right, have a good week.